decision, Lim Shoti from the outside, running by the rail schematic. Donori inside, impulsive decision. And moving up from the outside, head spin together with Baby Jade. And running 6 by the rail, also approved Marnelli and C. Hoy Makati. And so slash running at the tail of the field. Impulsive decision by some 4 lengths, followed by Lim Shoti. Head spin brushing up from the outside, schematic Baby Jade. Also approved from the outside, Marnelli and C. And rounding the far turn, impulsive decision by some 3 lengths, Lim Shoti. Head spin, racing in third by the rail, schematic moving up Baby Jade. And number 1, NC Marnelli also approved. Last 450, impulsive decision, Lim Shoti from the outside. Baby J, schematic head spin, NC Donori inside. As they race the final corner, impulsive decision, Lim Shoti, Baby Jade, NC Donori inside. And nearing the finish line, it's an impulsive decision, Baby Jade from the outside. Impulsive decision, Baby Jade, NC Lim Shoti. And finally, impulsive decision, Baby Jade, NC Lim Shoti, Marnelli for your Fentafecta. Then comes Hoy Makati, head spin, also approved, and so slash.